Welcome back, guys. My name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoy today. So today's topic is a spell price prediction. Everyone, those who are holding a spell, they're not giving up anyhow, because everyone believing this is the future of stablecoin blockchain, because it's providing a liquidity to the avalanche. Lots of many of DeFi project, no matter it's a curve one and YFE finance as well. So basically, these are a big giant, already contain a millions of dollar. Now they backed by MIM, be a part of Spell. So let's dive into the screen. First of all, what exactly the price prediction for Spell, because a lot of people holding a Spell, a lot of people asking one more question to me. Travis, is this a coin going almost $1? Look at the price of ADA. Look at the price of Terra Luna. It exactly bounced back from almost around 13 cents to almost around $100. Look at how much return it's given to the investor and holder. Before, people didn't know anything about it. What exactly Luna is it? When it's showing a mega rally, everyone was just buying at $100. Everyone buy at $70. Not buying that time when it was very, very low. The same thing happened with this spell. I'm just looking right now, because that is the reason why I'm buying a huge quantity of spell, almost around a 2 million spell token. And basically what exactly my target and what exactly my future vision for a spell, and which entry, which price I'm going to exit. I just want to make my money double, eventually triple. And once it's almost a triple, so I remove my principal money, and again it's reaching the same level, which is almost around 400 something. Then I grab this spell again and it's giving me a more token. At least I remove my principal money, so there is no loss. So if it reach almost around $1, eventually more. So yeah, I guess that is a good time for me. So next 2025 end of December, I just predicting right now, but easy money again, not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, what exactly I'm doing with a spell. Basically, 2024 next halving, and it might be take one more year. This one is a crazy support over here, almost around 0.0362 something, and basically this is the consolidation area. I already discussed about this thing yesterday video. And one more thing I want to share with you guys, it's a very, very penny size right now. Everyone can afford it. Everyone can buy it. But when it reaches almost a $2, eventually $3, eventually $5, then people thinking this is a coin we have to grab, hold this token, and just waiting for some next bull run. They're not letting the price down anyhow. Why? Because if you look at the price of Spell, it's very, very penny and friction size right now. Not almost on $1, just thinking like that. Again, people just laughing on me. They said, Travis, this coin is literally falling from the 450 to almost around 370 right now. Look at the other altcoin. They're just dumping crazy. $1,000 to almost $100. Dumping almost 90%, 95%. And this coin is just falling only up 30, eventually 25 and 20%. This is a part of crypto. Crypto is highly volatile. Within a night, it's give a 2x return. Within a night, it's give a 5x return. Just because huge volatility on it. So the coin is fluctuate that much. Just think about it. If how much return it give it in the next 5 year, eventually 2 year. The age of crypto is just only 2 or 3 year. And that is the reason why people believing this crypto, and that is the reason why we over here. So if you're new in the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe and do some comment for YouTube algorithm, and also join our community, link in the down in the description. So basically, I'm just looking, this one is a crazy support, and previously it consolidated so long in this area, and again it reach this same level if somehow if Bitcoin fall down. And but Bitcoin is a boss. If the boss falls, so everyone will slightly take a correction. So is nothing new in this market. So basically, I'm not thinking it's falling down, because this one is a golden pocket. The lot of 4-hourly time frame, it's zipping it. The previous one over here is squeeze the price up, and the second one is just stuck in the middle. Now we getting some green signal over here and ready to blast off. First of all, you should need to break almost a 400. Not a big deal because it's just only minor friction of gap. It easily reach that level. And then again, it's reaching this almost around 431, eventually more. So I'm just thinking in this week, might be we see a big pump, and might be we see some kind of slightly downtrend in a spell, but already giving bottom right now. Look at this bottom at this price point, almost on 0.00361 something. This one is the bottom, and I'm just thinking the next weekly time frame it should need to reach over the 425 something, and might be it reach this level 500. So the next weekly candle telling the truth, whether we goes higher, whether we goes lower, but at least we have a support over here almost around this price point, 260 or 361. And if somehow if it's stuck and consolidate, that means we are ready to explode, because there is a huge buying pressure. I read a lot of comment, a positive vibe, the people just interested in a spell because of the grabbing a huge quantity. And look at the monthly time frame in a spell. A lot of people again looking at this crazy monthly time frame. Look at the Travis, this monthly time frame is so crazy right now. But you if you didn't but you need to see this one. This one is a crazy one. Look at this monthly time frame. The previous monthly time frame, it's already overlapped this one. Now it's just trying to break this one, the almost around 500 in the previous month, and this month is almost around 639 something. So 639 something, and the next month again it's giving some flash up, but I'm not thinking it's gonna happen. We have a few days remaining. If somehow if it turn it green, so we see some kind of slightly uptrend, and a lot of people interested in a daffy, a lot of people interested in a decentralized finance and decentralized blockchain. So spell future is so bright, but again, not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion. But main thing is that, is this a legit one, or are we going more higher, or are we going more lower? So support is there, and resistance Amazon 420 is not a big deal. So it's already consolidated. I'm monitoring this token almost at 1 month, more than a 1 month, but I see a lot of fluctuation. I just keep monitoring right now this token, because this is a future of stable form of blockchain, and Luna depend on Bitcoin, Luna depend on Ethereum. If the supporter really want get back their token, and we really don't know Luna holder, we really don't know who backed this Luna by using their funds. We really don't know. But in a decentralized, anyone can back, anyone can give support and back it and get some interest, and which is totally decentralized one. It's not like a bank just giving you money and just give you only 7% of interest. You should need to hold almost 1 year, might be more than 1 year, then you will get that interest. It's not like that. Every single day the interest has been counted, and a lot of DeFi and a lot of blockchain, providing a stable form of API reward, which is pretty insane and cool, and it's automatic compounding that interest. So look at this. The age of crypto is only 2 years. So the 2 years is not a big deal. I'm just thinking. So Spell Army, it's going crazy. I'm grabbing this token at the bottom, not all-time high. A lot of people thinking this is the worst time to grab it. When we need to buy it? When it almost on 1 cent? When it almost on below to the 1 cent, almost 800? That is not a good time. I'm not saying that like we have to grab this token at 8 cent or 1 cent. I never say that. I always looking at token at the bottom. Look at the price of Jasmine was 1 cent at the very bottom, and it's reaching almost 5 cent. It's giving a 5x return to the investor and holder. And again, I grabbed the Jasmine Umizarna 170 something and it reached over 280. So again, I'm making money. So I'm just waiting for cooldown. Let's see what happened. But that is a part of Jasmine. But why I'm grabbing at very low? Because a smart trader always play better game. You know, not a shady one. Not buying at all-time high. So I'm just waiting that 1 cent and I remember pretty my money and rest of the profit I just leave it for long. This is my strategy for a spell. Alright guys, so this is all about spell related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and do some comment for YouTube algorithm. Share with your family and friend and enjoy the ride guys. Bye bye and take care.